Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start email campaigns with Constant Contact step by step clearly. To start an email campaign with Constant Contact, first, sign into your Constant Contact account. If you don't have an account yet, visit constantcontact.com and create one.
Once logged in, click on the Email tab in the top navigation menu.
Next, click on the Create button to start a new campaign. Choose the type of email campaign you want to create, such as a regular email or an automated campaign.
Select a template that suits your design preferences. You can choose from various categories or start with a blank template. After selecting a template, it will open in the editor. Customize your email by adding your logo, images, and text. To add text, click on the text block in the email and type your message. Change fonts, colors, and sizes as needed by using the editing tools in the sidebar. Next, add images by clicking on the image block. You can upload a new image or select one from your library. Once you've finished designing the email, review it for accuracy. Make sure to check for spelling and grammatical errors. When you're satisfied with the design, click on the Next button. In the next window, choose your recipients. You can select an existing contact list or create a new one. If creating a new list, follow the prompts to add contacts. After selecting your recipients, proceed by clicking Next. Now, enter a subject line.
Make sure it's engaging and relevant to your content.
You can also customize the sender name and email address. Once this is complete, review your email and recipient settings one last time. If everything looks good, click on the Schedule button if you want to send it later. If you prefer to send it immediately, click on the Send Now button.
After sending, you can track the performance of your campaign. Return to the dashboard to access reports on open rates, click rates, and more.
Finally, use these insights to improve future email campaigns.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.